Here's another quick video. This one's talking about multi-step equations when you have variables on both sides of the equal sign. Okay, so you can probably see that I have x's here and here. Okay, so there's a couple of things going on. I want to first combine the like terms over here. Okay, so I'm going to make it a little simpler by putting those two things together. 3x plus 9x, well, that gives me 12x. And it is equal to this over here. These are not like terms, 6x and 42, so I can't put them together. Okay, but now I want to get all of my variables on one side and all of the plain numbers or constants on the other side. I can do that by using inverse operations. So if I take 6x from right here, well, that's going to get rid of this one. To keep it balanced, I have to do it on both sides. So I'm going to remove or subtract 6x from both sides. This becomes 0. 12x minus 6x gives me 6x. And so that is equal to 42. Well, now this is just normal solving. Hopefully you know I'm going to divide, inverse operations. This cancels and gives me x is equal to 7. All right, so the main thing is just we want variables on one side, plain numbers on the other, use inverse operations to get there. Okay, let's do one that's a little more complicated. And, okay. Let me see about, let's try this one. What if I have 4 times x minus 5? So I have distributive property I got to do. And then we add 3, and that's equal to 2x minus 7. This is a problem from your study guide. All right, so if I see parentheses, I want to distribute first. All right, so this is going to be 4x minus 20. Okay, bring all the rest of this stuff down. I have distributed. I'm going to separate my equal sign. Okay, and now let's deal with like terms. Over here, I do see some. I see negative 20 and plus 3. Negative 20 plus 3 is negative 17. And I'll bring the rest of this down. Okay. Now I need to start getting all my variables on one side and my plain numbers on the other. I want to subtract 2x from both sides. So that got rid of this. And now this becomes 2x. 4x minus 2x gave me 2x. Bring the rest of your stuff down. Don't forget about that minus sign. It matters. Okay. Now we are going to deal with this minus 17. To make it go away, I'm going to add it because minus 17 plus 17, well, that's opposites. They're going to make 0. I have to do it over here too. Okay, 0. Bring this down. So now I have 2x is equal to 10. All right, give me a little bit more room. Very last step. So I ask myself 2 times what gives me 10. You probably know that, but if not, let's divide by 2 on both sides. And that gives me x is equal to 5.